Well, the plan was to go to Crafty Food Fest, but... So I think I'm gonna wait a little bit, see if the rain slows down, and maybe go after. Dan's pretty excited. The rain seems to have calmed down, so we're gonna try this again. Next bus doesn't come for like 24 minutes. I don't feel like waiting, so I'm gonna walk to the metro station. So the Crafty Food Fest is at 1979, which is where Dan and I filmed the map, our fight video. Crafty is an event company group here in Shenzhen. They do this food fest, they do a craft beer fest, and they put on a bunch of smaller events every month. All right, here we are, 1979. Let's go check it out, see if there's any good food. Look, a helicopter. I don't know what this is doing here. There's the roller coaster out over the water. We filmed the fight video back there to the right, behind it a bit. The beer half seems to be going strong, but the food half isn't doing quite as well. A lot of the tents seem to have gone home or run out of food. They're waiting until tomorrow to restock, so I'm gonna see what there still is. Found a build your own pizza place. Maybe some mushrooms. Got a pizza. We're gonna see how it is. I forget to get my drink though. Kind of a bummer. Looks pretty good. I got some pepperoni, some peppers, some mushrooms, some beef, some broccoli. Posted up just outside. It's pretty good. Pizza was pretty good, and I'm not really hungry anymore, but I saw some samosas and they're calling my name, so we're gonna go see how they are. I was distracted on the way to the samosas by a tapa place. I got some beef callos. I think it's stomach. Not entirely sure. My Spanish is a little rusty. That's pretty good. I'm gonna have to find out where that restaurant is. Tomorrow is Sunday, but because of the way the holiday next week falls, I have to work tomorrow, so I am heading home a little earlier than I would have liked to. This year's Crafty Food Fest didn't seem quite as good as last year's for whatever reason. It just seemed like last year there was more to choose from, I guess. Honestly, it's probably all in my head, but that's kind of how I felt. Today is Sunday. I didn't go to the food fest today because I had to work, but I did see some pictures from it today, and it looks like there is more variety than I thought there was, so I probably just got there late yesterday. Live and learn, I guess.